If it takes you 30 seconds to find a note, then you're in trouble. You need to know the neck inside out, and the following exercise will help you achieve this. This is how it works. Let's take the C note as an example. Have a look at the fingerboard diagram and locate the C note on the low E string. It's here at the 8th fret. Then find the note on the A string. It's at the 3rd fret. Next is the D string, and the C note is here at the 10th fret. On the G string, the C note is on the 5th fret. On the B string, it's here at the 1st fret. And finally, for the high E string, it's again at the 8th fret. Play the notes a couple of times up and down all across the strings. It doesn't matter what finger you're using. This isn't really a technical exercise. It's more about the mental side and knowing the notes all over the neck. Use the provided practice tracks to play along and master the C, F and A notes.